Heart health and protein. Understanding the benefits of plant-based versus animal-based proteins. In the quest for a healthy lifestyle, protein is a fundamental component that plays a crucial role in muscle repair, energy production, and overall well-being. However, when it comes to protein sources, the choice between plant-based and animal-based proteins can leave many individuals puzzled, particularly regarding their impact on cardiovascular health. With heart disease remaining a leading cause of mortality worldwide, understanding the differences between these protein sources is essential for making informed dietary choices that support heart health. Defining protein sources: plant versus animal. Plant proteins. These proteins are derived from various plant sources including legumes, beans, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Plant proteins are often rich in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, making them nutrient-dense options. They provide not only protein, but also an array of micronutrients that contribute to overall health. Animal proteins, sourced from meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Animal proteins are considered complete proteins, meaning they contain all essential amino acids required by the body. However, many animal protein sources can be high in saturated fats and cholesterol, raising concerns regarding their impact on heart health when consumed in excess. What does research say about protein and heart health? Numerous studies have explored the relationship between protein sources and cardiovascular health. A landmark 30-year study found that individuals who consumed more plant protein than animal protein had a 19% lower risk of cardiovascular disease, CVD, and a 27% lower risk of coronary artery disease, CAD. The research indicated that replacing red and processed meats with plant protein sources, such as lentils, soy, or nuts, provided the most significant cardiovascular benefits. While plant proteins showcased impressive heart-healthy outcomes, the consumption of fish and lean animal proteins, such as chicken, also offered advantages. This highlights the nuanced relationship between different protein sources and heart health. The heart-healthy benefits of plant proteins. 1. Rich in fiber. Plant proteins are typically high in dietary fiber, which helps to lower levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol. This reduction can lead to improved cardiovascular health. 2. Low in saturated fat. Most plant-based proteins are low in saturated fats, which can help reduce the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries, a significant contributor to heart disease. 3. Antioxidant power. Plant proteins are packed with antioxidants that combat inflammation, a critical factor in the development of heart disease. By reducing inflammation, plant proteins can further protect heart health. Conversely, many animal proteins, particularly red and processed meats, are often high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can elevate the risk of heart disease when consumed in large quantities. Are all animal proteins bad for heart health? Not all animal proteins should be vilified. Fish, particularly fatty varieties such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to promote cardiovascular health. Lean poultry and eggs can also be included in a heart-healthy diet when consumed in moderation. However, it is important to be mindful of processed meats, such as sausages and frozen meat products, which have been linked to increased risks of heart disease due to their high salt and fat content. The key is to choose healthier options and balance animal protein intake within a varied diet. The verdict: choosing the right protein for heart health. To optimize heart health, individuals should focus on incorporating a variety of protein sources into their diets. Include plant proteins. Foods such as lentils, quinoa, chickpeas, and nuts should be staples in your diet. These foods not only provide essential nutrients, but also contribute to heart health. Replace red and processed meats. Opt for plant-based alternatives or lean animal proteins like fish and skinless poultry. Practice balance. A combination of plant and lean animal proteins can support overall health, but the majority of your protein intake should lean towards plant sources for maximum cardiovascular benefits. Understanding the differences between plant-based and animal-based proteins is crucial for making informed dietary choices that support heart health. While both protein types have their place in a balanced diet, emphasizing plant proteins can lead to significant cardiovascular benefits. By making thoughtful choices and incorporating a variety of protein sources, individuals can better support their heart health and overall well-being. Your heart deserves the best care, so choose proteins that work in its favor and foster a healthier lifestyle.